So it has a brake pull. I checked the adjustment. One of the adjustment had a bigger gap than the other side. So I adjusted it, got it to spec, and then drove it, no brake pull. Then I backed it off just a little bit, both evenly, and then drove it. Brake pull came back. When I brought the truck back, I noticed the gap was different. So that means the slack adjusters aren't self-adjusting evenly. So we're gonna tear down and see if we can find anything. Well, we'd like to know for sure if we could see something visible, just so we're not just throwing parts at it. All right, now I gotta go talk to Jimmy so I know what to look for. It's got a little play, but I don't know about the in and out. So it goes like this. So the rollers would roll right here, and that's what so it does that. No, I think it's bad. This is the slack adjuster right here. This is the, it's called a pawl. So something here might be bad. So I just gotta talk to Jimmy and see what I should look for. So it has a brake pull. They're not self-adjusting evenly. I need to tear apart the slack adjusters, but I need to know what to look for.
Is it the same truck?
It is the same truck.
So you took off the paw?
I took off the paw. Yeah,
good, right?
yeah, the paw was already good.
Okay.
The splines on it are nice and sharp.
So you're taking the slack adjuster?
Yeah. Now I'm going to be taking the slack adjusters off.
Well, then replace it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got a snap ring right here. You got 2 rods. Take those pins out. Slide the pins. Snap ring splines off. Yeah. So obviously mark everything and how it went. I'm gonna go get the parts real quick just to make sure we have the right parts. Make sure everything's marked still. Good. Nice. Clean these up a little bit. We do one side, we're going to do the other side. Anything with brake repairs or hub seal replacements, we always recommend keeping it even. Because if something happened to the other side's got the same mileage.